This video tutorial I will cover longs methods of random class. Here I have defined the class random demo 1 and here I have created random object. Then I am calling longs method of random object. This method returns unlimited stream of pseudo-random long values that I am printing here. I am running this program and here you can see the output. Here I have defined the class random demo 2. Here I have created random object. Then I am calling longs method of random object and passing stream sizes 4. This method returns pseudo random long values and it returns 4 values because stream size is 4. I am running this program and here you can see the output and we got 4 long values. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.